Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video for a tablet case. So I bought a Otterbox Defender series case for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. Now that is a 8-year-old tablet by now, so kind of late buying a case for it. I found this case on Amazon for about $10, and it's a pretty nice case. So here's the packaging it comes in. I'll show you the packaging. Yeah, it's a little bit scratched up on the outside for the packaging. There's some scratches right there, whatever. Now, it does not come with the Random Fandom sticker, but that is alright. Now, this case in its time would probably have costed about at least $30 or so, but got it on Amazon for $10. Now, the tablet that would go in here, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, around its time in 2012, it was somewhere around $500 plus. Now you can find those tablets for I think around $200 or so. They're not the most powerful tablets, but the feature that really holds up is the S Pen, but that will be a topic for another video. So here is the case itself. That's the case. It has a built-in screen protector, and then here is the protector for the screen protector, I guess. You can click on there, but it also doubles as a stand. So there it is. Of course, that all goes into my Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, which I have it being flashed back to stock right now while I'm filming this video, but I'll probably shoot another video after this video, but that's fine. As for the case, it's a two-part case, and it goes together really securely. As you can see in here, there's like a lip, and then on the side there's a little plastic pin basically that goes through a hole. So this case will certainly never come off of your device unless you're like really trying to force it off, you know, like maybe by using explosives or something, I don't know. You really gotta beat the case up to get it off, and if that's what you're trying to do forcibly. Otherwise, you can just pry it off, and there's the back part. It's solid rubber. I mean, it's actually really thick rubber too, so like, there you go, you can see how thick it is. And then here is the hard shell, which comes into two parts. And you take off the front panel, and then you can put the tablet inside of there. Now it is a little bit easier to pry it off since they gave us something to pry against, which is nice. And you just gotta get your fingernail in there and sort of lift it a little bit, and you can start undoing all the clips that go around this case. It is a very secure case, is what I can certainly say about it. And there you go, that is the front panel with built-in screen protector. It's made out of plastic, so it will scratch, of course. I'll probably actually end up removing that screen protector, because I'm not a fan of screen protectors anyways, because many devices have what's called Gorilla Glass, and actually those are pretty scratch resistant, scratching at a level of 6 or 7 according to jerry rig everything. But there you go. On the inside, there's got some foam here, so it's padded pretty well. Now here in the center, it's a little softer by this Otterbox logo, but there you go. And as for the plastic itself, it's pretty thick. And not a whole lot of flex to it. I mean, it flexes a little bit, but it's pretty rigid for the case. I'll go ahead and grab my tablet now, since it's booting up. And that's the tablet it goes in, just my Samsung Note 10.1. But of course the S Pen here, there you go. Just put it inside the case, just like that. Put the cover on. Now when handling the cover, if you don't want to have fingerprints all over it, be careful not to touch the inside or outside, especially the inside, because once you get it on, you can't just wipe those off. There you go. See the plastic pin right there. Oh, I'm putting it on backwards. Okay, that's why it doesn't want to go. There you go. And of course, press all the outer edges onto the case. And there it is. Now it's inside the case, and as you can see, it has a charger port flap and also a flap for the headphone jack, which is now a rare convenience that you can find on older devices. And since modern devices now just like to skip out on the useful stuff and give us some gimmick features like multiple cameras that have features that we never use or whatever. There you go. As for the stand, there's the stand. It can hold the device at multiple angles. So here we have the laptop style. So if you want to have it at a nice steep angle, you can do that. Or you can flip it all around, and then you can have it in sort of the lighter angle, or even a lower angle. So there's 3 positions that you can have it in the stand. In the manual it says you can have 4 different positions, so there you go. 4 different positions, but yeah. As for that 4th position, well, certainly it's not going to be sideways because it certainly flops that way. You can of course lay it flat on the thing, and it can clip in place just like that. So you can take the cover with you and not worry about it being flopping around. And then if you're wanting to store the device, then the cover clips onto the front just like this. So now it's ready to be weaponized, and you can just bash people in the face with it. Because this thing also doubles the weight of this tablet, at least that's what it feels like. Maybe even triple. I mean, it's certainly a heavy case, adds quite a bit of bulk, but I mean, with that bulk, you're getting a lot of durability. I feel fairly competent, fairly brave enough to throw this if I want, and not worry about it shattering my device. But there you go. So that is it for this quick review of the Otterbox Defender for my Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. For $10 for this older device that I still use, it's a good buy. Yeah, I'd certainly recommend it over just about any other case that you can get. Now, if you do like a naked device, then there's tons of other types of cases out there, like these sleeve type cases. Now, I'm a fan of the Hunger Games, so I have a Hunger Games one. It's double-sided. So I can put a tablet in one, then I can put my Bluetooth keyboard in the other. But it does not protect the device if you're using it. It only protects it when you're putting it away. So this case protects it when I'm using it or when it's put away. So that is that. The thing is, I can't put my keyboard along with it, but that's okay. So thanks for watching this video, and until next time, peace.